Hello, people. Hello, people. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the day 5. Yes, it's the day 5 of season 5. Okay. Welcome, everyone in the house. This is amazing moment, everybody. We are about to start. We are about to start with the amazing journey of life transformation. This is season 5. We are heading into the day 5 people, and every day is interesting. Every day is something which you should take along with you people, basically. Okay, so listen to it very carefully, make the most of the time that you have, and apply these things in your regular life on a daily basis, guys. You will find miracles happening, everyone. This is going to happen for sure. Yes, 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 yes. Let me quickly get to the setup and we will be getting started. So today is our season 05, day 5. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now let the game begin, everyone. Okay, so what are we talking about? We are all talking about our mind power. Yes, we are all talking about our inner beliefs that everything is possible for us. We can do great things in life. If you just think positive, life will attract like that. Power of mind, the subconscious mind. We are understanding all these mysteries, and today is one of such day of a kind, people, and it is going to be a huge value add for everybody, basically. Okay, and we are going to talk today, people, about some miraculous quality which every human body possesses. Okay, and that is going to be some massive stuff, and we will be getting started to know about it, that our body has self-healing abilities. Okay, it is all about that today, people. Okay, so the setup is all done through. We are about to begin, and let's get started, people. Okay, so at part of today's session, guys, okay, this is one of a very interesting, a very important topic which would be applied to every single person in the house right now who is listening right now, and you should be communicating this to your family as well, because it would give a huge value add to the family, people. Okay, so it is that important. I want you people to take away this, apply it in your life first, then give it to your family as well, give it to your friends as well, give it to the people you care for, because today we are going to discuss about one of a magical mystery of life, people. Magical mystery, and those who understand, their life will definitely change after this. Okay, and that concept is your body. Okay, your body, my body, our body has self-healing abilities. Okay, what does that mean? That means if you have disease, if you have illness, there is power inside you which can heal by itself, and that is magical, people. Okay, now many people don't get really these things, but I want to explain you with some live examples, trying to break it down so that your mind will consume these things, and then you can apply it in your life and you can see results coming out of it. Okay, now guys, you need to understand this one fact. Okay, when you were actually not yet born, let's say you were just a newborn, you were in the womb of your mother. Okay, so at that time, guys, what was the state? Okay, your organs started forming internally, yes or no? You were not like with all the organs. Your organs started forming internally first, and then it got into some shape. And even though when you were born and when you were growing, your body was still developing. Yes, you would find that there are small kids here. Actually, still there would be some shallow section, yes or no? Yeah, the bones, people say, they are still weak, nothing but it's forming itself. You need to understand, guys, your body has the capability to generate organs. If it can generate organs, it can fix the organs, people. And there are a lot of guys, there are a lot of researchers who believe in this fact, and they have gone ahead to even apply these things on themselves, and they have seen the body work miracles. The point is, the current generation, the 21st century, is so much away from this reality of life. We are saying we are improving, we are growing, technology, this, that, medical science improving and all, but guys, these are the techniques which were known since centuries. Now we are losing them on the way. If you really know this fact, you would always be fit and fine and healthy, people. That's what it is about. And today's day is all about trying to showcase you more value of all these things. Okay, so now be with me, guys. Okay, I want to tell you one example, a real life incident. There was a person, his name is Dr. Joe Dispenza. Okay, he's an author, he's a brain researcher, he's trying to see the mind body connection, studying, he writes books, he conducts a lot of things basically. Okay, now what happened is, it was like long time ago story, it was in the 1980s, some year like that. He met with a terrible accident. Okay, terrible road accident. Okay, he leaped up in the air, a speed road accident, guys. He leaped up in the air, he fell on the ground with the spinal cord actually crushing very bad. Okay, it was a massive terrible accident in the year 1980s. His spine actually compressed inside, and because of that the bones and all were quite mixed up and like terrible pain. You might be knowing small fracture in spine, how painful that is, guys. His entire spine crushed in that incident. Okay, and then what happens? Terrible pain, massive pain, guys, complete. He is not even able to move. That kind of terrible situation. And he went and he talked to all the greatest doctors, greatest like all the institutions at that time, hospitals and all that, trying to fix himself. He took the opinions from like four different doctors, the experts of their time. Okay, and everybody said, okay, the damage is so severe, like from the neck basically to the tip of the spine, entire thing you have to fit with the metal connections and then try to fix all the bones throughout the journey. It was that massive. And the doctor said, okay, even if we do it, it's not guaranteed that it is going to fix by itself. Okay, guys, this is what the doctor said. And like all the doctors, like, and they said further, okay, if you don't do it, then it is almost sure like you will never be able to walk throughout your life. Yeah, doctors these days come up with the same thing, right? Like chit bhi pat bhi meri, right? Both the clauses are mine basically. Okay. So this is what happened. And now, guys, you need to understand, those who believe, for them miracles happen. Those who don't, for them nothing will happen. If you don't believe in all these talks that we are doing on a daily basis, let me tell you, your life will remain the same. You are creating your own life by not believing in these concepts. These are universal facts, and many people have seen the results with this, people. Why are you waiting for? That's the question. Now what he said, he used to do all of this meditation and the power of mind and the body. He did a lot of theory work, research about it, understanding all those things. Then he said, okay, so if the power for generation is within us, why cannot it heal itself? And then said, I have learnt a lot of theory. It is the first time in my life I need to apply it into practical and get results. And then what happened, people? He went against the opinion of all the doctors. And he said, okay, guys, now there is a process. What he did, first of all, he believed that his body can heal by itself. Okay, because he believed that if organs can be created, healing is a smaller thing for it, right? If bones can be created, healing is a smaller thing of that, people. Then what exactly he did? He just imagined, he visualized that his entire spine is going through that kind of a fixing process and everything is getting systematically. So every single day, he just used to lie down, because he had none other option to do. He used to lie down because no body movements. He just lied down. He visualized. He first believed that his body can heal itself. He visualized that his entire spine is going through a treatment process and fixing by itself. Okay, he kept doing that. And guys, what we spoke about, whenever you try something new in life, your body and the mind will reject it. He was a practical proof. His body and the mind was not accepting it. But that's where you have to be in the game for the initial struggle. Then the lovely part will come. And many people in life, they quit in the initial struggle itself. Now what he did, he tried every single day for 3 hours. For 3 hours without distraction, he used to just visualize the process of spine fixing itself. For 3 hours every single day, and still for initial 6.5 weeks, it was massively painful. No improvement. The body was not showing any improvement. Now guys, for small things in your life, you try for 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and you give up. You need to understand, life is all about consistency. If you want to become a winner in life, consistency is the only thing. Some great author said, you can win every race that you run if you are just more consistent than others. That's it, people. Doesn't matter how your brain capability is, whether you're good, whether you're bad, whether you're talented, whether you're not. Doesn't matter. It's a learning curve and being consistent, and eventually you will win. That's what it is. And he took his stand, because people understand these facts. He did it for 6.5 weeks. Nothing happened. But still, he knew that it is possible. He kept stretching his boundaries, people. And now what happens? After 6.5 weeks of time, his body started reacting to that process. It became more easy, and slowly, his pain that he was going to, massive, terrible pain, that pain got started to fix by itself. The pain came low, and everything, it was being more soothing. And initially what he took for like 3 hours, it became like only 45 minutes he was able to do that, and his body was getting so normal. His pain completely relaxed down. He was able to move a bit here and there, and guys, 10.5 weeks he was able to stand without even going through the treatment. Now you might be like, hey, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Right? These things don't work. Like, that's what naturally comes, because we are habituated to the modern world of treatment where everything is cured by medicine. You need to understand one thing, people, and this is very important thing. Okay, medicines are short term immediate solutions. You cannot disregard that. Okay, we have invented so many things. It's required, it's massively required as a short term immediate solution to quickly fix yourself. But you need to understand, you cannot take medicine as a lifelong process. Do you want to die as the richest man in hospital with a luxurious room basically booked where all the facilities are available? Do you want that kind of a death? Ask this question to yourself. Okay, you need to understand, if it is long term life, people, if it is long term life, long term health, then you have to know what actually can give you that health, and it's not via medicine, people. Nowadays what is happening in society, every house you take, they're having a pouch full of medicines. They don't know how to live their life. They have screwed it up basically, and the generation by generation the same thing is being propagated. I want you people to break this bond by knowing this massive quality that your body can heal itself. And if you want to go for a long run solution in life, then you need to know to fix yourself by your just mind and the body, people. Okay, so understand. Second example I want to tell, these are not just words, people. Many people have experienced these things. Okay, these are not just words. Now you need to understand. Okay, now you need to understand, people. The second portion comes here. There was a guy called a Sadhguru. Many of you people might have understood this, right? Sadhguru, you know him, right? Sadhguru, basically, in one of his interview, like publicly people are speaking about it. That means they are experiencing it, guys. Sadhguru, pretty logical person, you might have heard about him. And I was watching through one of his video. What he said, while he was in his 20s, okay, once he was playing a hockey, and the hockey ball actually stuck his ankle very bad, and it was like a fracture. And he says in his life he has actually experienced a lot of fracture. So because of that, when his bone break inside, he was able to feel that pain, and he knew immediate swelling was happening. Okay, immediate swelling is going to happen. Okay, now what happens, people? Because of that, he was limping around. He just went outside, sat outside, and then he was like in terrible massive pain. And now what he said, he also used to practice a lot of meditation. You might be knowing, if all those people who might be knowing about him, he's like a great guru practicing meditation, teaching people how to meditate and all that. And what is meditation basically? Meditation is about knowing the true power of your mind and the body, people. Yeah, meditation is all about knowing more about yourself. And what he said, he believed in that. If the source of creation is within us, why can't I fix myself? He just sat down with his eyes closed for roughly 1 hour 15 minutes, for it to be exact what he says. And he just sat down. Okay, and when he opened his eyes, he immediately realized the swelling came down, and he was able to stand up and even walk. And how is a fracture, people? If it is a really big fracture, you would not be able to stamp it as well. People are experiencing it, and he was able to walk with that. He was able to kick his bike with that, and then drove off. Real life incidents, people. Those who understand in their life, they will apply and they will change. Soon you should realize it and make it your daily life habit, people. Okay, and I'm not asking you to blindly do this. I want you people to do your own research. know about it, explore more about all such things, and then you draw conclusions, because your belief system is at the core. If I just say, you will not believe, I know that. That's where I want you to work hard to understand how the brain works, how the mind works, and then apply it in your life. Okay, guys, in a lot of movies or even real life situations, if some massive operation or something is happening, okay, you might be knowing some of your relatives or somebody who went like massive operations. What does doctors say? Just going before the treatment, what does doctor say? Like, we will do whatever we can, and in further it is all left to the destiny. We'll do whatever is in our control to fix the situation. Yes or no, people? Even in movies there are these kind of statements coming, like, we have done whatever is in our capability. Okay, but the body is not accepting change. The medicines are not affecting on the body because the person does not want to live. Guys, have you ever heard about this? This is for real. Some people actually lose hope in life to even live, and no matter how much treatment you do on that, their body never accepts that. What does that mean? Your body is resisting treatment. It can fix the treatment by itself. There were a lot of examples, guys. There were a lot of examples like this. You need to understand. Okay, a live demonstration on YouTube. I found this kind of video. There was a brain researcher. They were treating, okay, in like ancient culture, a lady was having cancer, okay, in live environment. Okay, now you need to understand really these things. The lady was having cancer. She was on the bed in live recording available, people. Okay, they were scanning the body, and in the scan they were able to see that cancer is the 3-inch cancer, stomach one basically. Okay, and there are 3 people standing next to that lady. Okay, and all these 3 people knows the power of self-heal. You know what, in the ancient times the self-heal gone to that level that not just fixing yourself, you can even fix others with that. Nothing but if my body reaches to great epic level of self-healing, I can even propagate that to other people. And this is not magic, people, this is reality. Those 3 people just pointed their hand onto that affected area, and they were just like trying to concentrate. And guys, what that explanation came like, it was all about belief. The lady believed that these people has the power to fix her, and these people believed that their power inside. And guys, epic meditation over a long period of time will give you this immense abilities. Nowadays nobody practices. That's the sad reality of life. And then these 3 people were just showing the hand there, and then healing started happening. And within 3 minutes, guys, within 3 minutes, live recording, scanning happening, within 3 minutes it shrinked and it disappeared. This is what is possible, people, if you really believe and really practice such things. I know it, your mind will be rejecting a lot of things because it might all be sounding like spooky, like how is it possible, and what we are doing then not knowing it. You need to understand, guys, your belief system does not even, your thoughts does not even shape the external reality. It shapes the internal world as well. Your thoughts which you keep, if you feel that you are unhealthy, if you just feel I'm having a fever or my body is going weak, it actually becomes weak. If you feel that I'm having health trouble or a pain or a ache, it actually becomes that the body embraces that pain, because your thought signal is telling to your body, feel the pain, feel the pain, feel the pain. There is another way around where your brain thinks, no, I am fit, I am fine, I am great, I am healthy. When these kind of instructions go, you know what, your body responds accordingly inside. And why does that happen? Do you know, people? Why does that happen? You might, in your childhood, you might have like fell on the ground, met with some bruises here and there, right? Your skin might have got damaged. What happens, people, after a few days? The new skin, a new layer comes on top of that. Yes or no? Your hair grows, your skin grows, whenever your nails grow, nothing but your entire body is always renewing itself. New and new cells are coming up, not just outside, even inside you. Now you need to understand, the cells, the organs, the atoms which are inside your body, which are diseased, it would be kept on shedding away. The problem is you don't inject the thought process like become healthy. That's the reason new cells are also piggybacking on the old disease cells, and they continue to be in the same zone. I want you people to change your belief system. Every single day when you wake up in the morning, just load these thoughts like I am healthy, I am fit, I am fine. Just start your day with this, people. I am healthy, I am fit, I am fine. Just start your day with that over a period of time, guys. You need to dump this thought into your subconscious mind, and subconscious, guys, is a result of repetition over a period of time. Magic does not happen immediately, people. You need to train yourself. For example, you go to gym. Do you see your abs coming right at day one? No. You need to be damn consistent over a period of time with a disciplined practice. Then the body shapes. Similarly, guys, these all things are not overnight, but a long-term solution is this thing. Every single day in the morning, that's where in our affirmation, people, there is one affirmation which is I am healthy, I am fit. I want you people to really start your day like this. And these are not just 1-2 examples, guys. I know personally also some of my friends whose relatives here and there have experienced this, that just with the mind process, how people are healing it. Okay, I want to share one last incident. Okay, there was one person in my team itself. Okay, he was having some problem. Okay, and he went to the doctor, in the city located doctor. And nowadays, what is the first question if you go to a big hospital, people? What's the first question which comes through? The first question is, do you have insurance? That's where the big hospitals operate. Do you have insurance? If you have it, okay, fine, chalo, dam dam dam, this test, that test, essay. If you don't, then also bills are big, right? And that's what. And you know what happened, guys? I'm not saying all the hospitals, all the doctors are like that, but for that it was just a light fever initially, and there was that incident. The doctor said, hey, can you admit it, so that we can just put some saline and all, and because when you admit, then you would be able to claim your insurance. Now the focus is not on healing, people. The focus is on money making. And further, that person, he was actually facing some kind of a serious problem in his head. Okay, for 3 months he was struggling. Almost 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees gone in treatment. Understand? 80,000 to 1 lakh rupee gone in the treatment over there. And you know what happened? Still no change happening. Still the pain there. Still everything like that. From somewhere he got to know that in South India, in Karnataka somewhere, there is a yogi basically who treats people with minimal charges. Some kind of Ayurvedic, he would be applying something, but he heals people with minimal charges. And then this person said, okay, let's go now. Nothing is happening with this modern techniques basically. He went there, guys. Just 2 times he visited there, and he just stayed there for like 2-3 hours. And 2 times visited, 2-3 hours, and it was like 5,000 to 6,000 per visit. And that's it, guys. He was healed. That's what is the thing, people. Those who know, they will be able to do that. And in the olden days, guys, I remember one incident. Okay, while in my childhood, there used to be a doctor around me. Okay, in our locality basically, there used to be a doctor. And what the doctor said, on an average, he used to have the same white, some bottles filled with white tablets. And any patient who used to come, he used to try permutation and combination of those tablets. And people used to consume, people used to feel recovered basically. People used to feel healed. And that's why many people used to go to him. And basically all the poor people generally who doesn't have much money, because his charges were like that, just 10 rupees, maybe 15 rupees. Sometimes people used to say, hey, we don't have money. He's like, okay, aja. As a service. Because his generations by generations, those people are following it. You know what? I was pretty much interested, like what he does, why are people getting healed out there? And then I went and I was completely observing what he's doing. Guys, simple stuff basically. He just goes there. There are some bottles available. He talks very naturally, okay? He's like, nothing happened to you. Like, it's fine. It's like this, it's like that. He relaxes the mind and body to believe that he's already healthy and these are not big things, okay? Then he gives some permutation on combination of tablets, and then he's like, okay, take these 3 dosage of this, and basically the very minimal related diseases, guys, like fever, cold, cough, that will heal by itself. Okay, maybe for some serious thing which he sends something, he will write some prescription, but people used to get healed. Okay, now that is something miraculous. Just with a belief system that after eating these tablets, my body is going to heal by itself. Just with that thought process, people are getting healed, guys. When science understood this fact, you know what? They did a research. They did a research, guys. Scientific proofs available for all these concepts. They did a research. What did they do? They splitted, okay, some set of people who wanted to have a knee surgery. They splitted up people into two different groups. Okay, knee surgery splitted the people into two different groups. On one group, they actually performed the surgery, and on the other group, with the family's permission, they conducted a fake surgery. Fake surgery, as in they did not treat the people, they just enacted, like maybe just a drill and stitches and a band-aid on top of that. That's it. Okay, and then they told both the guys, both the set of people, like, hey, okay, we have done the surgery, now your body is going to be healed. In 2-3 weeks from now it would be relaxed down, and then you can actually start movement. And what was the end result, people? 95% of the people were healed. Scientific evidence, scientific proofs available that these things work. How did it heal? Just believing that we went through a surgical process and that is going to heal my leg. Just with that thought itself, remaining 45% people got healed, guys. That means your belief system is at the core. If you believe you are unhealthy or you have diseases or illness, it will continue. You have to change your belief system. For immediate thing, if you are really suffering from a lot, go get the tablets as an immediate fix. But as a long-term solution, I want from tomorrow onwards, every single day when you wake up, accept the belief, like, I am healthy, my body is great, and I am fit and fine. Always I am going to be like this forever. Load these thoughts. You have to believe in that, not just say it. Believe in that. Once you believe, the brain is going to provide those instructions to the body, and then your body will be reacting accordingly. If there are any patches, it would be healing by itself. And in a meditation, there is a lot of scientific, there is a strategy by which all these things work, which we would be talking in further coming sessions, guys. Hope you understand today. I'm not expecting you to really believe straight away whatever I said, but this is reality of the world. And the sooner you understand, the sooner you will be able to take the benefit of this. And you know what? 80 to 90% people of the world will never be able to take the benefit, because they don't have the time to explore and know these things. And even if they know it, they don't have the commitment to practice it. And we are talking about 80 to 90% people of the world, guys. The question is, from this group, how many of them will actually convert it into life? And guys, that's the first thing which I do every single day when I wake up. I believe that I am a healthy person. Okay, and guys, Steve Jobs said, okay, Steve Jobs, he achieved the great epic success in his life, basically, yes. But when he was suffering from the entire final battle of his life, he said, you might make a lot of money, you might make a lot of success, but if your body is not healthy, everything is meaningless. And he said, I can hire a driver to drive for me, I can recruit a CEO to run my organization, but when I am diseased, I cannot replace it with somebody else. You have to go through that. So understand the value of your health. No more junk, avoid those things. Live a healthy lifestyle, because keep your long-term future, otherwise it would get into troubles, people. Understand today's session, do some research about it for yourself, and once you believe, then it will work for you, people. Okay, let's get started with the success affirmation. These are beliefs which is going to change your brain, which is going to change your mind and the body, make you great basically inside, which is going to change your reality around. Now ask a question to yourself, what is the thought process which you have been carrying throughout your life? Do you feel great about yourself, or do you have limiting beliefs about yourself, people? Do you think, like, I am not good, I always face problems, these things are not for me, basically, I am not talented, I am not capable to face challenges? Are these your beliefs? Are your beliefs like, I am a lazy person, I cannot do great things in my life, I cannot make more money in my life because I am not talented? All these negative thoughts will make your mind, body, and your reality like that. So the first step is changing your belief system, and which happens with these success affirmations. Let's begin. Let's begin, everybody. This is one life, people. There is a manual for running every gadget on this planet. There is no manual for running your life. I'm trying to put a structure so that you can understand these things by consuming from a lot of people who've actually lived it, applying it on myself, seeing the results of that, and giving it to you people so that you don't lose your lot of time in understanding all these things, people. Let's begin with our success affirmations. Close your eyes, believe.
I have all that I need in order to succeed. I am motivated. I am powerful. My behavior is aligned with my balanced state of mind. Everything that I do serves my goals without affecting others. Each day I completely trust my intuition. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I am wise. I am made with the purpose of doing great things. I am a perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am a magnet attracting abundance in my life.
You have to believe,
Fear
people.
is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward. I am successful in any area of my life. I am polite and respectful with any person that I meet. I am patient. I am the only one who can stop me. Everything is good right here, right now. I trust the universe that I am doing my best, no matter the situation. I am loyal. I am at peace with myself. I respect myself, and everything that I do is meant to fulfill me. I am open-minded and I fully take advantage of all opportunities surrounding me. All my relationships have a purpose and they fulfill me. I choose to see all the opportunities surrounding me. Prosperity surrounds me. Prosperity fulfills me. Prosperity flows towards me and through me. I am able to do amazing things. I am worthy. I am balanced. Everything that I need comes to me at the right moment. I am powerful and present in my own life. I am more than enough. I am full-hearted. I am special. I am at ease with the uncontrollable things happening in my life. I am ready for any challenges. I focus on the good in any given situation. I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them. I make good decisions. I am calm and relaxed in any circumstances. I am the creator of my own life. I build its foundation and I choose its content. I am filled with energy and I exude happiness. I am far superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I am blessed with infinite talents and I use them every single day. I peacefully detach myself from negative people. I am inspired with new and good ideas. I am content with all my accomplishments. I am brave and I am kind. I am a positive person and my life is filled with prosperity. I am admired and many people acknowledge my results. I am blessed with health and motivation. I am indestructible. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am at peace with everything that happened, happens, and will happen in my life. I am a wonderful human being. I am proud of everything that I've accomplished so far. I feel good in my own skin. All the universe's beauty lies within me. I trust myself to create an amazing life. I am ambitious. I am fearless and I take risks. I accept new experiences. I am curious. I am a learner. I am grateful for my life. I am always happy around other people. I profoundly love myself. I am able to achieve great things in my life. My inner voice is always positive in any given situation. I can do everything I set my mind to. I completely trust myself. I am positive. My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. I accept everyone around me. I am a miracle. I am powerful. I am limitless.
That's what it is, people. I am the creator of my own life. You choose what you want, guys. You choose it. And if you are not actively thinking about it, you know what? Slowly and steadily, you will start living a life which the society defines for you, people. Where there is nothing possible, where there is struggle, where there are a lot of problems, people. And all that is going to be consumed in you, and you become that eventually. So, as part of that, I want you to realize that you have a bigger purpose in life. Your existence matters, people, and your belief system is the core thing which leads your life. Your belief system is that core thing, people. And I want you guys to make the most of this amazing life that you have got. Don't doubt it, because it is a universal truth. When you doubt, it will not be applicable to you, guys. That's how these things work. Okay? Because when you doubt, you are basically saying, don't apply it on me, basically. Okay? So open up your mind, people. Do some research about it, consume it. Okay? Rub your palms against each other. Slowly roll it over your face and open up your eyes for a newer, brighter version of you, guys. Everybody, let's do it. Okay, guys, this is what it is about. Without application, so okay, I want to give you some actions to be performed. Okay, it has been a lot of theory. It has been like 5 days of a lot of theory. As part of the live, basically, we have the descriptions of the success affirmation, the YouTube link available. If it is not there somewhere, I'll be adding it as a description of this live video. I want you guys, like every day in the morning when you wake up, before getting started with the day, spend 7 minutes for yourself. Just plug in these and just listen to it and try to believe in that. Simple. Every day in the morning once and before going to bed once. That's it. Night time we are doing it together, so that is fine. But morning time I want you people to apply it for your own self. You will find that your belief system about yourself, about the life, no matter how bad your past could have been, but it will all start changing. This is me, Tausif Sheikh. Hope you apply these things and make your life change. Thank you everybody for your wonderful time. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Love you people. Show up tomorrow 10 p.m. again. New mysteries will be still coming.